This easy-to-follow TomTom Sat Nav delivers state-of-the-art navigational technology to get you from A to B in no time. With the Sat Nav for large vehicles, you can customise routes for your truck, coach or van by adding the vehicle's dimensions, weight, cargo and maximum speed, for safer, more efficient journeys and realistic arrival times. With continuous updates using the built-in Wi-Fi, you'll be notified when the latest maps and software are available to install, ensuring you don't miss out on any road changes or new features for your next trip. With large vehicle points of interest installed, you can find more than 50,000 truck, van and coach fuel stations, parking spots, restaurants and service centres in Europe, helping you discover points of interest along your journey to meet your needs. Whether you're transporting cargo or driving a coach full of passengers across Europe, this TomTom Sat Nav is perfect for navigating large vehicles on routes that best suit you.